Hi, in this video we're going to do decimals to a negative power. And by negative power I just means this index here is a negative number. Now we saw in the previous video that if we had a fraction like a over b to a negative power, so I had it to the say power of -2, then what you do is you'd reciprocate the fraction inside the bracket. So the a over b becomes b over a, you just flip it upside down. And instead of a power of -2, you now have a power of +2, like that. And then you could apply the power of 2 to the numerator and the denominator. So you do the b to the power of 2, which is b squared, and you do the a to the power of 2, which is a squared. And we're going to apply the same principle to these questions here. But with the decimals, we want to convert them to fractions first. So 0.4 to the -1. What is 0.4 as a fraction? Well, it's 4/10, which is the same as 2/5. So we got 2/5 to the -1. And remember, as we said, if we've got a negative power, a fraction to a negative power, we reciprocate, we flip the fraction inside the brackets. So that becomes 5 over 2 to the power of +1. And 5 over 2 to the power of 1 is just itself, it's 5 over 2. Does it want the answer to the decimal? Yes, it is. Leave your answer to the decimal. 5 over 2, 5 divided by 2 is just 2.5. So that is the final answer there. Right, what about the next one? We've got 0.02 to the power of -1. So we write 0.02 as a fraction. That's 2/100ths, which is the same as 1/50th. We've got 1/50th to the power of -1. And then, as before, because that negative index of -1 there, we flip the fraction inside. The 1 over 50 becomes 50 over 1, which is just 50. And then we have 50 to the power of +1 now. The negative index became a positive index when we flip the fraction inside. And 50 to the power of 1 is just 50. So again, that is the final answer.